How long can a dealership hold your car for repair? The length of time a dealership can hold your car for repair can vary depending on the specific circumstances of your case. In general, there is no set time limit for how long a dealership can hold your car for repair under California law. However, if the repair takes an unreasonable amount of time and affects your ability to use the vehicle, you may have a valid claim under the Lemon Law. For example, if the repair takes several weeks or months and the dealership is unable to fix the problem, you may have a strong case for a lemon. If you believe that your vehicle is a lemon and the dealership is holding it for an unreasonable amount of time, it's important to consult with one of our experienced lemon law attorneys. We can evaluate your case and advise you on your rights and options under the law. Overall, the length of time a dealership can hold your car for repair can depend on the specific facts and circumstances of your case, and it may be necessary to take legal action to enforce your rights as a consumer.